how to make money with a lifestyle brand. So chances are you've heard of lifestyle entrepreneur, lifestyle brand, and you may be wondering, okay, great, that looks great, like the lifestyle aspect, the location freedom, the time freedom, and ultimately what we're all after, the financial freedom. But how do people actually make money with that, okay? Because I know when I first started, I was wrapping my head around all the different components. So I'm gonna share with you my journey, and then I'm gonna share with you how my past journey with experiences with health, with money, and with business, I lost over 55 pounds 4 years ago and kept it off. I also am a CPA, and I also have served in over 7 industries. So I'm gonna share with you both from things that happened over the last 4 to 7 years, and then my past experiences and how I combined all of that to learn how to make money with a lifestyle brand and creating something that I loved and that I could teach others simply. So back in 2013, I already had a consulting company. I left corporate America in 2011. It was nearing 6 figures, but I realized there was so many different things missing for me. So in 2013, I started with Herbalife Nutrition, the #1 global nutritional company, where the average person loses a half a pound to a pound a week. Within the first 2 months, you guys, I lost over 15 pounds. For the first time in my life, losing weight was easy. And disclaimer, again, the average person loses a half